Hey guys, welcome to Code Spy. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video we are going to discuss about our next project that is related to rating management system. Before moving further, this is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe it, and if you have seen my last few videos, then you know that I am creating projects related to different topics, and those are very unique projects, and I am explaining everything in that projects, like all the features of that project. So if you want to create projects related to these management systems, then you can go through those videos. I have explained everything in very detail, so it's helpful for you. Or if you want to get these projects, then you can contact me also. And this is my channel, so please subscribe it. Okay, very informative videos are coming in future related to technology, so it would be helpful for you also for your learnings. Apart from that, you can follow me on LinkedIn also. This is my LinkedIn profile, and this is my Instagram profile. I have just joined Instagram related to this channel, so there you will not see any posts now, but I am going to create some reels related to technologies. I am going to teach you some topics. First I'm planning to start with Java some features, and then we'll see how it goes. Then we will proceed further on that. Okay, so let's get back to our last project. So for rating system, we have not created any new project because if you have seen my last project, that is hotelsearch.com or hotel booking management system, in that video I said that rating system is dummy, it is not developed. So we have developed that rating management system in this video, and we have integrated that in our last project. Okay, so if we talk about the technologies which we have used to develop this ratings management system, so as you know, this hotelsearch.com or this hotel booking website is developed using microservices architecture. Okay, so we are using a Spring Cloud, a Spring Boot, Eureka server, config servers, all the microservices architecture are there. But this rating system is designed using Django, Python. Okay, but we have integrated that, or we have connected that microservices to our Spring Eureka registry, so everything is aligned. So if I go here on this Eureka dashboard, so if you see, like, all these services are there. These are existing services which we discussed in our last video, but we have created this rating project which is running on this port. Okay, so if I go back to my ID, so this is our project, rating project or rating management system. It is also kind of microservices only. So if you see, like, this is our microservices project, and this is also running on the same port. Okay, so this is the file where we have connected this rating project to our config server, where we have all the configurations, and this belongs to Spring config server, Spring Cloud config server. So we have connected to that. We are getting all the data from there, and this is if you see, like, here we have connected to our Eureka server or Eureka registry. Okay, so after this, you can see that we are using their URL, like 8761 Eureka, and we have registered our application to Spring Cloud server or Spring Cloud Eureka registry. Okay, and for the DB we are using PostgreSQL. So PostgreSQL, as you know, that is a open source object relational database which is kind of very famous in the current market, and most of the industries are using PostgreSQL because it's a very advanced object relational database, and it's open source, free of cost. So it's a very famous, and you should learn that. If you want to learn what is PostgreSQL, then you can go through some YouTube videos. There are a number of courses are there. From there you can learn it. Okay, so this is the configuration of PostgreSQL. You can see that we are using engine name and all these configurations which we do. So I am not going to explain you the complete code of this project in this video. I'm just giving you the high level overview. Okay, so this is our views where we have all the mappings are there, like all the requests are coming, and we are sending the response for that. Okay, so we'll go back to our project, and I will show you, like, how the rating system is working. So if you see that for this city Bengaluru, we have 4 hotels. So if I click on this and if I select some dates, like if I select 6th April and I click on search, then you will see like list of hotels are coming, and every hotel is having different ratings. So as you can see that first is having 2.9 out of 5, and 5 reviews have given on this hotel, but rest of them is having 0, means no any reviews have no any reviews have given on these hotels. Okay, so if I open the first one, then you will see that here we are showing again those ratings. Earlier these were dummy and we were showing just hard coded value, but now these are completely real time and these are dynamic values. So here you can see that we have 5 reviews, and here also we are setting the overall rating of this hotel. So if I click on 5 reviews, then it will come in the review section. So if you see, like in the review section we are showing all the reviews and every category wise. So here you can see that on rating category we have 4 types of category. First is location, then bed comfort is there, then room service is there, and overall facilities are there. And these values are also real time, dynamic, everything is working, and these progress bars are also reflecting on the basis of these values. So our I have created like our overall review system will not exceed 5. Okay, so we are concluding everything in the average of 5 only. Okay, so that's why you will see here like 2.9 out of 5. Okay, so here also like we are showing like how many users have given 5-star ratings and number of users, then 4-star ratings, 3-star ratings. So two users have given 3-star ratings, so you can see here only. So if you see like this user has given 3.3 out of 5. Okay, and this user is also like this user has also given 3.3. so this 3.3 and 3.3 will come in the 3 only. So if it exceeds 3.5, then it will go in 4. Okay, so we have added a logic like that only. If it exceeds 0.5 rating, then it will go to the next level, and below 0.5 it will be in the same zone. So for 2-star ratings we have 2 users have given 2-star ratings. So if I go down, then I will see that 2.0 is one user, and 1.5. so as I told you, like it is greater than 1.5 or 1.5, then it will go in the next zone. So its next star is 2. So that's why these two are coming in the same star ratings, 2-star. So this is the way we have added our logic. So for 4.5 we have only 1, so that's why it is coming in the 5-star. And if we talk about these ratings like location, bed comfort, then we have like calculated the average of all the ratings, and on that basis we are deciding these values. Okay, so this is the way we are showing the rating. Now we will select some different hotel, because this hotel is already having rating. So we will select a new one which does not contains any rating. So if I select this hotel Grand Cubic, so if I click on more info, and you will see that it is not having any ratings, 0 rated. So if the rating is not there, then it will come like this. Okay, everything is 0 and 5, 4, everything is blank. So now we will book this ticket, and we'll see like how can we rate this booking and hotel. So if I click on select, and if I click on book, these all are existing features, and whatever data I am adding here, these are dummy data. These are not related to any real-time users. Okay, so if I go for payment, then I have to add the name, and these card numbers are also dummy card numbers. I click pay. So this way after booking you will get a pop-up where you have to enter some common feedback in form of message, and these 4 options have been given like location, bed comfort, room service, overall facilities. Okay, so here you can like give more features also, like you can add a feature of adding images, and what other features also, like if you want to add some more sections of these categories, that also you can add it. But this is just a kind of framework. If you want to extend it, you can extend it. Okay, but this also looks well. So here I can add some message. So I have already copied some message, let me add it. Okay, now I will select location, like if I select 4, bed comfort also 4, room service also 4, and overall facilities I will select 3. Okay, if I click on submit, then you will get a pop-up like review saved successfully. Just click on OK, and if I go back and if I select again those hotels for some other date like 6th, okay, sorry, last time also I think I selected 6 only, so I will select some different date. Okay, I will select 19th April. Yeah, so if you see, like for hotel Grand Cubic, one review is coming here, and overall rating is 3.8 out of 5. So if I click on more info, then I will get to know more about this. So 3.8 comes in the like very good rating. Okay, if I click on one review, so as you can see that here whatever we added on that page, on that review page, those information are coming. So as of now we have added only for one user, but the way we will add ratings, these values will change. So we are maintaining some logics in the back end to get this data, to get these calculations, proper calculations, and these are absolutely correct. The logic is absolutely correct. So if you remember, like we added like location 4.0, bed comfort 4.0, room service 4.0, and overall facilities 3.0. So if I calculate all these, if I find the average of all these what do I say is category or ratings, then you will get 3.8. okay, so this is what we are showing here, and here we are showing like how many users given that star rating. So here also like we are finding average. So if you see, like 3.8 comes in 4, so that's why we are showing in 4. And as of now we have only one user rated for this hotel, so that's why 1 is there and this is full. Okay, and if you see, like these values, these progress bars are also changing, like 4.0 is having higher values, and 3.0 is having less progress on this progress bar. And we are showing here name of that user, and whatever message he added, and overall ratings. And here also we are showing name. Instead of this name we can show image also, but that feature is not added. That is a kind of extra feature which if you want to add, you can add it. If I book again, and then again these values will change. Okay, if I if I do the, if I give the rating, then these values will differ. So now select and click on book. Okay, again I will do the copy paste from this list, and now I will select suppose 3-star rating for this, 3, 4, 4, something like that. Okay, and if I go back, I will select the hotel for some different date like 23 March. Then you will see, like earlier it was showing 3.8, now it is changed to 3.6. now if I go back, then you will see like all these values are also changing. Now it is 3.5, 3.5, 4.0, 3.5. These progress bars are changing, but 3.5 for next time which we entered, like its overall rating was 3.5, so it will come in 4. That's why it is showing here 4 rating, and we have only 2 users have rated, so that's why 2. So, and this is full because only 2 users have rated and both comes in 4 rating. Okay, and overall rating of these calculations is 3.6 out of 5, and its category is very good. Okay, so this way our review system works in like real time also. The way you will enter ratings for these hotels, these values will change. And if we talk about its backend, means in admin section how it is coming, then I have to log in as an admin. So for that, if I log in as an admin, I can show you that. So if I go to hotels, if I click on hotels, and we have given reviews for these two hotels. So if I click on this, and if you scroll down, then these two feedbacks are coming. If you want to delete, you can delete that. Suppose if I want to delete this one, and if I click on update hotels, okay, it is deleted now. So only one rating is there. Now if I go back, and if I click on this, select some date, so again you will see that values are changing, and earlier it was showing 2 reviews, now we have only 1 review. And if I scroll down, then these values are changing. Here we have only 1 review is there, earlier it was 2, and these values are also changing. Okay, and whatever ratings this guy has given, all this coming here. Okay, so this way it is working. So this is the way our rating system is working, and we have already discussed all the technologies and all that, and that's all about this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel and share it with your friends. We will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.